How to transfer photos from laptop and PC to iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer photos from laptop and PC to iPhone. Well, unlike your Android device or any other devices, you can't directly access your iPhone folders or stories or files to drag and drop or to copy and paste files for your iPhone, right? Now, how you can do so? Well, in that case, I'll recommend you a particular application to install on your Windows. All you gotta do is head into your web browser on your PC and get this application that is 3U Tools. It is totally legal and safe, so all you gotta do is head into it, m.3u.com or 3u.com, and you can see 3U for Windows. You can tap on download and go ahead and download it and install it up. Once you have installed it, all you gotta do is open it up, and it'll ask you to connect your iPhone. Simply connect it using a cable on your Windows, and once it is connected, it'll ask you for permissions on your iPhone. You want to access the permission. It will ask you for biometrics, that is your face verification. You want to go through it, and once you have done so, only then will you be able to access your files and folders. Then you can drag and drop easily or copy and paste onto your folder on iPhone from your Windows. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and thanks to 3U Tools.